Today we're going to take out the hard drive on an iMac 27-inch. So first we got to take out the cover here. So all we have to do is just stick it somewhere like this and then pull it. Okay. Okay. Should easily come out. There we go. Okay, so you can pause now. So now we're going to take out the memory right at the bottom. Okay, so it's right here. And they're like tiny screws. Okay, this is the bottom plate. Okay, and the RAM, there's a little tab here. You pull the tab out, and then you yank it down a bit, and it will release the RAM for you. Okay, and we'll put the RAM on. Okay. And there's another one here. And then we yank this one out too. And there's the RAM here too. Okay? And that's all the RAM that's inside this unit. So now that we have this one out, we have to take out the 8 screws right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what we're going to do right now. You can pause.
Okay.
Alright, so now here we go, we're taking the screws out. Okay. We just gotta first screw. Now the second one there, because there's a magnet here, you're probably gonna need to use this to take it out. Okay, so I'm gonna release it a bit. Okay, and then okay. There we go. Okay. This one should come out straightforward. Okay. And this one here is gonna also, because of the magnet, it's gonna be a bit okay. And that's it for that one. And the same thing on this side here. So you can pause now and I'll take the screws out. Okay, so once the screws are out, then we gotta take out the cable right here. Okay, so I release this cable. And
Which cable is that?
right there. Okay.
Okay.
Now there's another cable also right here, and there's this cable right here. Okay, the video cable, and the last cable is right here. Just gotta pull the tab out, and then it should pull right out. Okay, now that's it. So you just gotta be careful not to smudge the screen. Okay, so we'll take the screen and we'll lay it down right here. Alright, so here's the hard drive. So we're gonna take this hard drive out. Okay, and the way to take it out is there's only 2 screws, one there, one there. Okay, and it pops right out. And you gotta release the cables right here. So you just pull on this cable. Okay, pull on this other cable. Okay, and I'll show you once the hard drive is out. Pause.
Go ahead.
So now I'm going to take out the screws that are holding the hard drive. I've already disconnected all the cables. Okay, so there's the screw. Okay. Alright. So now it just should simply pop right out. And there's the hard drive. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to replace these parts right here and put them on the new hard drive. So once I do that, we'll start taping again. I'll show you how to put it back in again. Okay, so I replaced the pins. I put them, the adapter to hold the hard drive. So this is the new drive now. And so we just reverse what we did. Okay, and then you just plop it right in there. Okay, and that's it. Now we're gonna put back all the cables. Okay, so you got like the power cable right here. Okay, and there's the adapter cable and the heat sensor too, which is for the fan. It controls the fan, and it's right here. Okay, and it can only go in one way, and there you go. Okay, so that's it, and it's connected right here.
Where?
Okay, right there. Okay, and that's it. Now we will just screw in, okay, the screws to hold it in. Okay, so this goes back in. Okay, and the same thing on this side. And that's it. We're done. That's how you change the hard drive. Okay. Okay, so after we've made all the connections, so to just reverse what we did, we put it back. Okay, so just slide it back in, and I made all the connections on the inside. And now I'm just going to put the screws back in. Make sure, like, if you've touched it anywhere, to clean it before you put the plastic cover back on. So now I'm just going to put the screws. You can pause. We're going to do this one here. Pause. Okay, go take the. Okay, put the screw in. All right. This one and the last one. The last one's a bit tricky because the magnet is there, but we'll try. Okay, so we'll just tighten all the other screws. Okay, and tighten this one. And we'll tighten this one. And we'll tighten this one. That's it. Okay, and now the final cover. Okay, so it just slides right into the slots. Okay. Okay, and that's about it. And now you just clean the cover. That's about all you have to do. And you're done. Of course, then you test it to see if it's all good. Okay, so we're just gonna put the RAM in now. Okay, the RAM will just reverse what we did before. Okay. Okay, and you just push it right in, and you'll hear it snap. Okay, and then you fold the cable back up, and you'll do the same on the other side. Okay. And there's little channels that guide you, of course, you can see them. Okay, and again, that goes in. And we'll put the last one in. Okay. It's got its own channel. Okay. Make sure it fits snugly in. Okay. And that's about it. Now